How to fix Instagram not uploading story. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to fix Instagram not uploading story. So first is you have to make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So maybe it's because your Instagram application is outdated. That is why your stories are not being able to be uploaded on Instagram. So all you have to do is type in Instagram here and then click on the update button if you will see an update button. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Instagram application is updated. And if your application is already updated, we can now start in our tutorial. So let's say the problem is your Instagram is not uploading your story. So probably you could go to your settings and then under settings, go to your apps, then find the Instagram application here. As you can see, it's here. Now, all you have to do is go to storage usage and then you may want to clear the data and to clear the cache. Now, if you are done doing that and your story isn't still uploading, then you might have a permission problem. So go to your permissions and then give a permission to your camera, your storage, or like allow the Instagram to go through your storage, your microphone, your camera. And if it's still not working, you might want to go back to your Instagram application and go to your profile, and then on the upper right, you will see the three dash lines there. Click on that and then go to settings. So on the settings, go to help and then report a problem. So report a problem and then basically explain here what is happening. Let's say you cannot upload your a story and maybe there is a bug. Then basically around 48 hours or 2 days, the Instagram community will get back to you and fix that problem. So basically, that is how you fix Instagram not uploading story. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful. And if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And please leave any questions you may have in the comment section and have a great day.